guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's me again, Ware Vlog in Germany. So today it's my day off, so I want to do another vlog for you guys. But before you watch my whole vlog, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So for today's vlog, guys, because I have a lot of time for cooking and I am craving for a Filipino dish. It's called Pansit. So it's like a glass noodle. So let's go, guys. Come with me to grocery store. I will show you the my outside world. I will show you around, okay? Hi guys, I'm back again. So I just got home from my grocery shopping. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one. I will try this in my pancit. And this one also, this is a pork tenderloin. And I also bought this one. Okay, so let's start. Oh, sorry, I also have this one. This is a glass noodle. So guys, our pancit is finished. It's hot. It's very hot because just finished cooking. The taste is good. So hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. Now I finished my glass noodle pancit. I am going to eat because it's already around 12:35 in the afternoon here. So it's my lunch time already. So let's eat guys. So guys, those who don't yet subscribe to my channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching my videos and also for supporting my videos, and I hope you will enjoy and like it. So guys, thank you very much again for your support, and until here, okay guys, have a nice day. Bye bye.